It's been 6 years and my life has changed. But after you entered my life, there were many transformations.
You are a fire, you are the sun. My heart is beating like a drum. Hey love, you look so beautiful tonight. I see the stars there in your eyes. If you could see the way they shine. Hey love, you look so beautiful tonight.
First transformation was that I learned to appreciate flowers. I learned to be one with nature, and I've learned to live simple.
You know, I'm overjoyed with happiness, love, and every emotion that I cannot express in words.
You shine. With every step, the way you move, it's all drawing me to you. Love, you've got me feeling so alive. Oh, your heart I'll never break. This is a chance that we should take. Love, you've got me feeling so alive. When I'm with you, this world is brighter. Oh, love, you shine. Take me and set my heart on fire. Oh, love, you shine. You shine.
I want to maintain your love, trust, and understanding. I vow to continue to be better and improve myself for us and for our future.
I promise to give you love every day and to appreciate you every day. I promise to give you a minute massage instead of just 2 seconds. I love you.
Congratulations, Thuy and Con.